Yes.
So you will never receive love. Now he say, you want to say something?
Don't worry, bhai. My auntie will love you. Don't worry.
Give auntie number.
No, I don't have.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's आज date क्या?
आज 2 तारीख.
It's 10th of April. कल था election और election में मैंने तो वोट दे दिया. तूने दिया? हाँ बढ़िया. किसको दिया? बस मेरा सासा लगता है. So we are in the middle of the night. Middle नहीं, it's 9:30 just. हम लोग ऐसे सिटी में घूम रहे हैं क्योंकि टाइम पास नहीं हो रहा ना.
4 बोतल वोडका का मेरा. We are into
No, Howrah Bridge.
Howrah Bridge.
We are Howrah Bridge. We are in the Howrah Bridge of Assam, and there are lots of LGBT lights. Look at the people, man.
Citizens, wow, citizens.
No citizens. Looking just waiting in there.
Wow, gangster meeting.
Wow, full girls. Scorpio wala, full uncle giving selfie to his wife. People standing in the middle of the road.
This is wow, civic sense.
Full aesthetic. People thinking what a bridge coming. But people not knowing this is a bridge for use to go. Hey,
From one way to another.
One way to my English almost dead.
Yeah.
That's why my English fata futa. Look at the Howrah Bridge, man.
I don't think it's a bridge to cross the river.
It's a new park. What a new technology, man. Hey, almost I got it. Almost. Lights are good. Everything is okay. Many people making dancing reels.
Wow,
Full reels.
kids full enjoy.
Full enjoying. People making reel selfie. But this is the pani, you know?
Too deep.
Oh, this is river, Brahmaputra river, very deep. I'm scared to go nearby. But I see there are many ropes. I will not go there. These ropes are very big.
Technology.
Technology. Future is a friend of mine. He will never come because I don't have a future. So we are just looking at the green LGBT, I mean RGB lights in the Howrah Bridge. We parked our...
That's cold.
Not that much cold.
I
How
feel
much?
cold.
22 degree? 22, 23? What very much? Look at the light. The light looks very aesthetic. Full zilik milik in the side of the road. No. It's a, pattern. So that you don't hallucinate.
Okay.
You don't know, na? You have never been to... Have you been to USA?
I will only be to Bethany.
Okay. So, only Anthrop. Like, after complaining about other people,
Yes.
I came to know one thing.
Yes.
We are also on the same page.
Right, sir. Right. You are right.
Like, see, we were complaining that other people come here, wait, like making it look like a park. Lots of people,
Uh-huh.
But we are also doing the same thing. Indirectly.
Ultimately right.
Ultimately what? We are
I
also
agree. Ultimately right.
See, like we came here for the first time. Other people might have also come here for the first time. They also
Yes.
thought, let's wait and take 1-2 pictures because not many people of Assam have been to Howrah Bridge or any outside place in Assam.
Yes.
For example, have you been ever
Where?
like out of Assam?
Out of Assam. I just went to Diffu. That is not
That
Assam.
is in Assam. What? That is inside
that is in
Assam.
Karbi Anglong.
Assam only. Eventually Assam.
But far from reach of the house. Bye.
So,
ये रास्ता तुम्हारा लाइफ जैसा नहीं लग रहा है. 2 रास्ते.
one is full of lights, escalated, no? Oh, sorry, elevated.
Elevated.
And the other one is direct into the water, drowned.
Just like
Dead.
your life.
Delete.
Wow.
Wow. But I have to say one thing, Mr. Bengali Bacha, are you reminding of missing someone?
नहीं.
I heard you singing a song called Night Changes, something called It Will Never Change Me and You.
I never said that.
You never what?
I never said that.
That, but you were singing, na? So
What was
singing.
the song? I don't know. I go to sleep.
Yeah. See, I have proof. He was singing to this song, are? Night Changes, Bhavan Direction.
I never said that.
You said that. I have proof. Before few seconds, you said that. I have proof. But Mr. Bengali Bacha,
Yes.
Are you sleeping because of some kind of intoxication or what?
No.
No substance abuse, right?
No substance abuse. I'm okay.
Okay.
I can go home and I can eat rice.
You can do
Again,
200
I can
push-up right
sleep.
now.
Yeah.
Okay. Look at our yes. I think this specs belongs to someone else.
I don't know. It fits good.
No, looks like you are the Bangali Sur, you know, that
It's
one
okay.
who steals baby. Bacha Sur.
Does it have two shades? Oh, the glass coming out. Oh, sorry. I thought it had two shades.
गरीबी में आटा गिला.
भाई मेरे को लगा दो स्लाइड है हमको लगा चेंज कर सकते हैं.
No. Sometimes life doesn't give you too much. Sometimes life fucks you up in a very bad way.
But when you are a fucker, you don't fuck with life.
Life fucks you.
Life fucks you back. Fuck happen.
I will edit this out because
Dark.
very much sensitive.
Very sensitive.
Hold with your hands. My hand is spinning.
Oh, sorry.
Wrong gear.
I thought you told me to hold something else.
Mr. Handsome,
Huh?
while you were returning home,
Yes.
you saw a piece of shit. Why did you make him sit behind us?
I'm not shit. मैं बोला shit बोलेगा जा चटाल.
Huh? Only English.
Only English.
Only English. No.
Only English. But I'm Assamese.
What is our English honors guy?
I'm Geda.
English on.
I'm Geda.
He get happen.
I'm Geda.
Looks like you are Geda.
Yes.
But why are you wearing sunglasses at night time?
Because he's andhadun.
Because there is no sun and I want sunglasses.
Achha. Vitamin sun.
Vitamin B12.
Where do you get this vitamin B12 from?
You can ask a person right behind you.
Okay.
He's
I know
watching.
everything, guys.
What you say?
What is this scooty?
Scooty in Bondok.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Because I'm poor.
Wait, give whom?
You guys are always face problem. But my face is also problem.
की बात आ जाएगी जो गरीब हो ना आदमी यो साला अपनी आदत से गरीब हो.
That is true. That is
You don't know anything. Shut up.
I know.
Your life also
You
problem.
Bengali guy, you shut up. You shut up. Mangala is a very handsome guy.
No, he said.
What are you? Osomia Bihari.
Deep Jyoti Rang is a very beautiful
Here
guy.
backseat sitting Osomia Bihari.
Yes, I'm Bihari. Ketiaba.
Right? Kotiaba.
Kotiaba.
Tak उठाए पटक दी मुझे.
अपनी एजेंसी आमी एजेंसी
Jensi.
बस ऊर्जा तू लागे
Lage.
ऊर्जा मैंने भैया
You
हमको
say.
बोलता है ऊर्जा खाने के लिए ना ऊर्जा नागरे से मिलना पड़ता है
ऊर्जा
ऊर्जा
नागरे.
नागरे से फोन करो और उनसे मिलो
No.
तुम भी जेंजी बन जाएगा लौड़ा हम इतना
No.
बोलता है
Do you know?
Yes.
He visit today Howrah Bridge.
हावड़ा ब्रिज
No, we visited AI.
Oh AI.
AI center.
AI. Do you know what is AI?
यस
So you will never receive love. Now he say. You want to say something?
डोंट वरी भाई माय आंटी विल लव यू
Give auntie number.
नो आई डोंट हैव राल बसो बड़े बिल्ला नानी के नंबर नहीं
Toll gate receive. Go home. Bye.
बाय बाय गुड नाइट गाइस